Hello everybody. Here today is a Markel NuTone Scovill portable heater. Here's a look at the control panel. It's got the thermostat on the left, and then fan only, 750 watts and 1500 watts for full chooch on the heat. The fan's on the top. The heating elements are right there in front. So look at the data on it. I guess that's the serial number. Not sure how old this is. I don't know if that's for December of 1982. I know it's not from 5/89 because I remember using this in around 83 or 84. Unfortunately, the plastic housing is getting really brittle. The stand will not hold the weight of the heater anymore. So I'm going to have to rig up something to repair that. See there, that's what happened. And it's got a nice crack there on the side. However, it does work just fine. Here in just a second, we'll demonstrate it. Get the old tripod going. And I almost forgot to mention it's got a non-polarized plug, but it does have the safety stop on it, so your fingers don't accidentally connect with the prongs and potentially cause an electrical shock. Alright, I'll start out with the fan only. Got a bit of a startup sound. Turn that off. I'll carefully place a thermometer. Alright, let's give it a test on 750 watts. And the temperature's climbing. Let's go ahead and put it on 1500 watts. And it's really starting to chooch now. So yeah, it definitely works. So this has been a look at my Markel heater from the late 70s or early 80s. Thank you for watching.